Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today, top level adjective game. 10 questions. Today is October 17th, 2022. Number 1. Jennifer never eats food. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This is describing food like food that is cooked in oil, and the whole thing goes into the oil. Most people think this food is not very healthy, but it's delicious. Deep fried. They put the food in a basket and then the whole basket goes into the oil, like French fries. Jennifer never eats deep fried food. Number 2. You look today. This is similar to wonderful. It's similar to marvelous. It means very, very good. Fabulous. You look fabulous today. The next adjective comes from this word, clutter. If you don't know what it means, please check your dictionary. This word is a noun and a verb, and it's not in our program. Bob's desk at work is messy. It is very. This means he has many things on his desk. So it might be difficult for him to work because he always has to move things out of the way. His desk is very cluttered. We add ed at the end to make an adjective. They couldn't do the job. The equipment was. This means not good enough. There was a problem with the equipment. Inadequate. The equipment was inadequate. This is the opposite of adequate. Their house is only by motorcycle. This means you can't drive a car there or a truck. You can only get there by using a motorcycle. Accessible. Their house is only accessible by motorcycle. Bob will meet a cousin tomorrow. This means a cousin, but it's a distant cousin that he hasn't spoken to for a long time. Long lost. Bob will meet a long lost cousin tomorrow. The referee made a few decisions today. A referee is in a soccer match or a sporting event. And this means the decisions were not very good. Many people disagreed with the referee. Questionable. The referee made a few questionable decisions today. from the verb to question something. The next one comes from this word. Please check your dictionary if you don't know what it means. Squeak is a verb and a noun. Bob's chair is very. This means every time Bob moves, you can hear the squeak in the chair. It's a very high-pitched noise. Squeaky. Bob's chair is very squeaky. And we say this in English. Can you read it? The squeaky wheel gets the oil. This is a funny saying in English. Please check your dictionary. It means the person that complains gets special treatment. The next adjective comes from this noun. Can you pronounce this? That's right. Paranoia. If you don't know what it means, please check your dictionaries. Bob is scared. He is very frightened and worried. He is. He's paranoid. Why are you so paranoid, Bob? The next adjective comes from this noun. This is in our program. This is a level 3 noun. Can you pronounce it? Theory. But now I want to know, what is the adjective from this noun? Can you say it? Theoretical. Game over. How did you do? That's wonderful. Did you learn some new words? Did you think it was easy or difficult? Very nice. And tell me about tomorrow. What time are you going to wake up tomorrow? What are you going to do? Are you going to have breakfast? What are you going to have? Whoa, very nice. You're doing very well today. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.